The Nike Air Max Muse SE Valentine's Day Edition is a stunning release that perfectly balances sweetness and subtle tension. Its colorway blends silt red, burgundy crush, peony red, and soft sail, creating a layered, eye-catching look. The upper mixes mesh and synthetic panels, alternating between ventilated textures and smooth surfaces, while pink laces highlight the intricate weave. The midsole features sleek curves with extra volume at the heel, yet it feels surprisingly light. A visible air unit in burgundy adds cohesion to the sole, and the dark outsole with rounded tread completes the soft, yet grounded aesthetic. Details like the heart and key motif on the tongue, 3D Nike embroidery on the heel, and careful panel stitching add a premium, tactile touch without being overwhelming. The Air Max Muse SE Valentine's Day embraces cushioning comfort while delivering a refined, street-ready design. Its playful colors and three-dimensional textures make it a standout pick for sneaker enthusiasts looking for style with understated presence.